Pretty bird still grazing in the puddle. Nom nom. Still grazing in the puddle. It's okay, pretty bird. Just a bird. Nothing's gonna hurt you, not as long as I'm around. Are you eating a leaf? Ew. Nom nom nom. Pretty bird. Oh yes, you're so pretty. Yeah, let me get that leaf out of your mouth. There you go. That piece of leaf. What are you doing? Hmm? Yeah, that's a good girl foraging. Yeah, that's a big goose. Cracks me up how her little feet are just like in the water. No, don't eat the phone. She tried to eat the phone. That's my phone, pretty bird. Ha! That's a loud bird, huh? You're a loud bird too, you know that? Look at you with your crooked teeth right there. Let's see if we can show anybody your crooked teeth. Nope, the bird's not gonna hold still. Let's see your crooked teeth. Crooked teeth. Ah. Nope, phone doesn't want to get sharp. Hi. Talk about a close-up. Hi, pretty bird. What are you doing so close up? What are you doing? You're too close. All they can see is your face, honey. And your big old beak. Hmm? Mama has the kisses. Mama loves that pretty bird. You know that, right? Yes. How could you not love this goose? Hmm? How could you not love this goose? Yeah, Mama loves a pretty. That's what you call some goose cuddles. Including the light little nibbles that you guys see her give me. It's all just goose cuddles and goose talk. Once in a while there's a nip in there. I'm not gonna lie, it happens. She is spoiled. What are you doing? You go walking in the water one more time? Come on, let's go. You coming? Let's go. Come on, let's go. Hey, bird. This is what I do trying to get her used to the water usually. Because she wouldn't even step in it at first. So I walk around in a way where she follows me, where she has to step in the water. And at first she kind of jumps through it, like she tries to stay out of it, she bounces, which is really funny. I just didn't get that part on video. What are you doing? Those are my shoelaces. There. Here's the answer about the shoelaces. Does Pretty Bird eat shoelaces? Yes, she does. See? Here she goes. Eating shoelaces. Now the other shoe. See? I mean, why wouldn't she? She grew up watching George do it. If anybody doesn't know who George is also a pet goose here on YouTube called Pet Goose George. And Pretty Bird is Pretty Bird the Pet Goose. And Pet Goose George is a Chinese goose. He's a sweetheart who belongs to a very nice gentleman named Bob. And they make videos here on YouTube also. The difference is that George already has some nice property to go play on, huh, Pretty Bird? He's got his own lake, well, river. Right, Pretty? Yeah. George is spoiled too. You're just like very human spoiled. Look at how many flight feathers are missing. These are like all that's left. And they're supposed to be going like this, all the way around right here. But it's all gone. It's crazy. It's a little bit weird seeing her like this. Almost makes me feel like she looks sickly, but it's completely normal. They lose their flight feathers and they grow back. I kind of have to tell myself that randomly whenever I find big feathers in her nest, more than one or two. The first time around, that was scary. Right, Pretty Bird? You scared Mama. Did you scare Mama? Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird. Cuckoo. Pretty. There, another look at her feathers. There you go, look. See that in there? Those are the roots for the new ones. They're coming in nicely. Poking out right there in that little corner. Right there. Those are new feathers poking out. Don't hide them. Let us see them. Let us see the new roots for the new feathers. I wonder if her new feathers are going to look just like her old feathers. The thing about hybrids is that, from what I've read, their plumage can vary from like year to year. Not like severely, like not like she'll look like a completely different goose, but they can have markings change over time. Like, for an example, Pretty Bird had no white markings on the back of her head whatsoever until she started molting, and now she has these little white polka dots, these white feathers that are poking on the back of her head, as you guys just saw right there. Now before that, she only had them in the front of her neck and on the sides. You guys see that? And she had that line on the back that was completely black. So there's small variations. Also, her markings, her black around her neck, used to be almost completely black, and now it has more of a dark brown, black appearance. Like it's actually more dark brown than it is black. So they do change a little bit over time. So I'm curious to see how her new feathers are going to develop, if they're going to have a little bit more of a silver tone to them, or more of a brown or bronze, or what the tone's going to be. And I'll have her old feathers to compare, because I do actually keep them. Yes, I do. All the feathers that Pretty Bird loses that are pretty feathers that aren't, you know, pooped on or messed up in some way, I keep them and I collect them, because we do arts and crafts with those, and also just because, I don't know, I really enjoy collecting feathers, especially from a bird where you know they're healthy. So Right, pretty bird? Alright, you ready to go home? Unless you're going to take a dip over here and get nice and wet, honey, we got to go. The ground's going to get real hot real soon. We got some asphalt walking to do. You hear, Mama? Pretty bird, are you ready to go? Alright, honey, come on. You ready to go? You want to go home? You want to go home? Alright, let me get my backpack. Sorry if the camera's shaky right now. Just gotta close the backpack. Still trying to keep the goose in view. Yeah, pretty bird. Pip, pip, pretty bird. Cuckoo. Pretty bird. Are you coming? Are you coming with Mama? You want to go home, pretty bird? Come on. Let's go see what happened to that tree. Come on. Alrighty, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed watching Pretty Bird forage in that grass puddle, whatever you want to call it, in that water accumulation on the grass field. I think she did. I think she enjoyed it. She got to just be a goose. What are you doing? Why are you suddenly behind me? You can walk with me. It's okay. She does this. She like randomly goes behind me. And then she walks really, really close. I think it's when she does it when she's unsure. I'm not really sure. Anyways, we hope everyone is doing well and is safe and happy and healthy. And we hope to see you guys in our next videos. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, leave us a comment, and share the video with your friends and family. Alrighty, y'all. Bye-bye, everybody. Pretty bird, say bye-bye, pretty bird flock. Say bye-bye, flock. Pretty bird. You say bye-bye? You say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. We love y'all. We're going home.